Hello. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 013358 State versus Pablo Valdez. Can I have parties announced?
Melissa Alden from State.
Dwight Chumley for the bench.
All right, are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Valdez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Valdez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. As a state jail felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Valdez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 12 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 38482. There's to be no contact with Target or Walmart. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By citing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offers into evidence States Exhibit 1 with attachments.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Here.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places, in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering into this plea, the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, discussed this case and the other case with him, and he's remorseful about it. He knows he's pretty young. He's 21, but he's been battling addiction for a while now, and hopefully he'll get some help inside there for a while and come straight out to some sort of help. But other than that, he'd like to do time.
All right, so let me just tell you the way I see your life going. What is your drug of choice?
Meth and heroin.
All right, so what's going to end up happening? You're taking the easy way out. You want to do your time. I'll let you do your time. But you're going to go to prison, the state jail facility, and you're going to have all these good intentions. It's like, I found the Lord. I'm going to be on the straight and narrow. Then time when you hit freedom and breathe free air, one of your friends or somebody's going to come up to you and you're going to end up using, and one or two things going to happen. Either you're going to get caught before you use, which is going to be a possession case, or either you're not going to get caught and you're going to continue to steal to support your habit, or either the last time you use will be the last time you use and somebody's going to be identifying your body. So if you don't get your life together, that's what your future will be. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. The court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. I request the therapeutic community
Thank you, Judge.
take in consideration 2025 PF 38482. There's to be no contact with Target or Walmart. And there's to be no contact with Adam A. Longoria. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. When you're released, we can get off the record. When you're released from the state jail facility, if you can't find a place that can help you with your addiction, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call a place to help you. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Jesus Santillo.
Yes.
Hello.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Pretty well. How about yourself?
Oh, great. I'm loving the color combination.
Trying to make it work out today, Judge.
No, it works. All right. So what is happening in this case?
We have a sort of a proposed agreement. We're just going to go open to the court on recommendation for punishment.
Okay. So I'm sorry.
It's a name slot.
Oh,
Right here, Judge. Give me 1 second.
He's on page 2. I mean, page 15 to town.
have y'all done a trial court certification? It's
Let me get back on, Judge.
all right. Thank you.
Judge, I have one in here. I have one. I have one in
There
here.
you go.
It's done, Mark.
Court is calling 2021 CR 3906 State versus Jesus Santillo. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
And Jonathan Watkins for Mr. Santoyo.
And are you Mr. Santoyo?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? And did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jesus Antonio Santoya who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 3906 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 2, 1 gram to 4 grams on November 15th, 2021 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, on the state's original motion to adjudication of guilt, violation of condition number 21. On or about the 22nd day of March, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jesus Antonio Santoyo, did then and there fail to comply with the instructions of Bexar County Supervision and Corrections Department intensive outpatient treatment as directed by the head or authorized personnel of that agency, and that the defendant failed to comply with the program requirements in violation of condition number 21.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Oh, true, ma'am.
State will waive the remaining violations on the original motion to enter adjudication of guilt as well as the violation on the first amended motion.
Any objection?
We have no objection to that, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading the violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
It was 20.
I'm sorry.
It was 21.
He was 21. What are you saying?
I believe you said violation of
Condition.
1 and.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it was condition 21.
Great, thank you. I was speaking very quickly. Cindy, you appreciate them slowing me down. All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 21, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 21?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 21 true. All right, state, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking that this defendant's probation be extended for 1 year, that base conditions be altered and amended to include local ISF followed by ISP.
All right, and defense, what are you requesting?
And Judge, just so the court is aware, I do want the court to know that a drug court referral was made the last time we were present. I did speak to the CLO, and I believe that he wasn't able to do drug court because they were at capacity.
Yes.
What we're respectfully requesting, Judge, we're on the same page with the state for pretty much the whole agreement. We're just asking that the ISF be held in abeyance. And I do want the court to pay attention to the history here. The history does not look good. Okay, I just want to be straight and out in the open with that. But I have encouraged him to attend NA meetings. He maintains to me that he has given up smoking altogether. He has a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, I believe.
Yes, sir.
He's 23, Judge. He's about to be 24. I'm not trying to excuse any of his misconduct, but I think that that fear of God has struck him. He is scared here today. And, Your Honor, we'd be willing to do weekly reporting and weekly UAs for however long the court would impose. So I'm asking that the agreement be for the extension of probation for 1 year, Your Honor, and respectfully, if the court were willing to give Jesus one last opportunity at this, I'd ask that he be given zero tolerance, weekly reporting, weekly UAs, and that the ISF be held in abeyance. That's what we're asking for.
All right, probation, what do you recommend?
Judge, recommendation on the court summary is to extend 1 year amend the local ISF followed by ISP. I would like to note that, would be resolution of the union office.
Take care of that.
So what is happening with the new offense?
More than likely going to be asking intake to reject the offense.
Okay. So
Right.
he's saying that he's going to, the state will address the new number 1. So that will not be an issue.
We'd also just ask her to take judicial notice of the entire court summary.
All right, any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor. And
All right. So I'm going to give you a choice. You only have 2 choices. But either choice you choose, you're going to be taken into custody today. And let me just tell you why. 1, probation has been working with you since 2021
No.
for you to stop using. And it's continued over and over again. Or either, you'll have a dilute and then there will be a positive. And then it shows here that in February 6, 2023, you were negative. The 14th, you were negative. Then you failed to submit. Then you failed submit. Then positive marijuana throughout the month of April. And then throughout the month of May, June. And then October, you failed to submit. Then February of 2024, you're positive. And it states here that they did do progressive sanctions with you. So they didn't even send it to me until,
What was that, ma'am?
oh, that means that they don't necessarily ask for a motion to revoke on you. They take different steps. For example, they may say, he's using marijuana. Let's give him 30 sober meetings to get it in line. And then they'll say, yeah, he's still using marijuana. Then let's do this form of treatment. So they've given you different sanctions so that you wouldn't have to come before me on a motion to revoke. And it hasn't worked.
The only thing I remember doing is just the classes, if I'm not mistaken.
And then you failed to comply with the instructions of intensive outpatient treatment. I mean, so it's been tried. So I can do 1 or 2 things, and it's completely up to you. But as I said, you're going to be going into custody. I can extend you for a year, and I'll extend you for a year, and you will be taken into custody to do ISP, which is being recommended, or I can revoke you and sentence you to 2 years in the prison.
I'll do the treatment.
All right, so we'll extend for 1 year, deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include ISP.
Is it ISF?
I'm sorry, let me see what it says in here, just one moment. Yes. All right, so it's local ISF followed by ISP. And probation, before he's transferred, if there's an opening in felony drug court, then that can be changed to felony drug court. Right now, they don't have an opening in felony
Would I
drug
have
court.
to, would I have to go in today? Is there any way I could turn myself in? Like,
I'm sorry?
would I have to go in today, or can I turn myself in just to get stuff situated at the house?
No, you'd have to go in today. All right. And they're still going to be working, and if you'll maintain contact with probation to see if there's ever any openings in,
That's what my inquiry to the court was going to be, is it, should there be an opening to drug court, would he be able to, would that referral
Yeah.
will be in place?
yes. And the problem is they have a limited number of personnel over there. I always tell people, call your legislature and tell them to give them more money because it's truly a great program. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
I just want to I'll keep an eye on the drug court, because if that were, is that reflected in your notes as well?
Yes. All right. Is there anything else? All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
What happened?